So here I'd like to present to you the DJI Mavic Dual. This is one of the most long-awaited drones from DJI, as it incorporates a small thermal sensor that has never been possible on a platform like this. The main advantage of this is that you also have the RGB camera, which allows you to use one of FLIR's most advanced technologies called MSX that actually combines the thermal and infrared image and the RGB in order to give you the highest resolution and the most detail from your shot. The main advantages of this system as well, as similar to the Mavic Enterprise, is the interchangeable payloads on the top of the system that are quick swappable and allow you to adapt to any situation. Here we have the speaker, which allows the operator to record sounds from their mobile phone and transmit it for the full transmission range of the aircraft. It also allows you to loop and pre-record sounds that can be played at a moment's notice using the DJI Pilot Go app. Other payloads for this include the aircraft beacon for enhanced operations and safety between manned and unmanned aircraft, which is visible up to 5 kilometers, as well as the spotlights, which can be controlled from the app as well. Another key feature of this is the onboard storage, which can be password protected and encrypted to ensure full data security in any mission situation. Another key feature of this aircraft is the omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, which ensures safety when operating near obstacles. Also, the downward facing LEDs, which can be remotely turned on and off, allow enhanced positional accuracy when used in low light situations, as well as in return to home situations. The last feature which has been included on this aircraft, which is extremely beneficial for public service such as police or SES, is actually the ability to turn off the navigation guidance lights on this remotely from the app. This ensures safety and discreet operation in any situation.